Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Today we are diving into a topic that is sparking debates in the developer circle and creative communities. That is generative AI versus human creativity, but from a developer perspective. Can AI be truly creative? Is it helping or hurting us as a coder, artist, and builders? Let's explore the truth behind the hype and what is really mean for us, the developer on the front line. First thing first, what is generative AI? At its core, it is a subset of AI that creates text, images, code, music, and even videos. Think like ChatGPT writing essays, GitHub Copilot generating code, DALL-E drawing images from prompts. These models are trained on the massive datasets and learning patterns to produce output that often feel well and magical. As a developer, I use AI every day. Whether it's a co-pilot helping me to write boilerplate code or ChatGPT explaining complex concepts. AI speed up ideation, reduces repetitive work, and let us focus on architecture, logic, and optimizations. But here is a catch. It doesn't understand context like a human. It's a still pattern matching. So creativity and problem solving, that's still our domain. So here is the big question. Is AI really creative? Let's define creativity. It's not just producing something new, it's doing it with purpose, emotion, and originality. Generative AI can mimic creativity, but only within its training limits. It can remix, repackage, and even surprise you, but it doesn't feel joy, pain, or inspirations. It doesn't create with intent. That's where human creativity still holds the crown. The truth is, it's not AI versus human, it's AI with human. AI is becoming a creative collaborator, not a competitor. We as a developers bring the ideas, the context, and the why. AI brings speed, possibilities, and productivity. Together, we can prototype faster, create smarter, and even explore artistic paths we might not have thought of alone. But let's not ignore the shadows. AI can hallucinate, it can plagiarize, and it can replace jobs if used irresponsibly. As a developers, we have a responsibility to use AI ethically, cite resources when needed, understand biases baked into training data, and make sure we don't lose our human touch in the process. So, what is the next? I believe the future is not about AI replacing humans. It's about human evolving with AI. Imagine writing an app where you define the experience and AI fills with the code, or painting a word and AI animate it into a game. This is where creativity meets acceleration, and we are just getting started. So, can AI be creative? Yes, in its own way. but real creativity still begins with us. If you are excited, inspired, or even little scared by what is AI mean for the developers, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comment below, like this video if it make you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive into tech, code and AI. See you next time. Until then, keep coding and stay curious.